not much of one to do reviews on trucking companies. I've never been able to find one that can meet expectations as high as Bloom Services has. Bloom Services has been there for me and my family as many times as I've been there for them. I have never rejected anything. I've never told them no on anything. Because of that, it shows how quickly Bloom can be such family oriented. They can be there for the driver when the driver has no idea what to do. October of 2021, I had a tire go through the passenger side of my windshield. Bloom Services was more worried about me than they were the truck, the trailer, or anything. And I had a brand new truck, brand new trailer. But they were more worried about me. How I was going to be able to get to a hotel room. We've got you. When it was time to get in another truck, we've got you. When you need to pay rent because your truck keeps having issues, don't worry about it. We'll help. We're there. And it's not, we'll help, here's $100. It's, no, we'll help, here's your entire rent for the month. Bloom Services cares more about their driver's success so they don't have to worry. If you're willing to work and run and everything, they're going to be there for you, no matter what. This company is so family oriented that if you have an emergency, whether it be with your kid, your husband, your wife, your brother, your sister, it don't matter. If you need to be home, they're going to do everything to get you home quicker. Not quickly, quicker. Whether finding you a load that'll deliver a week, but you're going home for the entire week. Whether it's a load that needs to go the complete opposite direction, you'll have time to go home to take care of your matters. Bloom Services does more than any company I've ever seen in the last 6 years of me driving. Bloom Services will always be there for your success, not theirs. Bloom Services cares about you, not them. You're not a driver. You're not a number. You're a person, and they treat you like that first before anything else to them.